What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Cat. Today, we're diving into the world of electric bikes with the top 7 best electric bikes in 2025. Whether you're looking for speed, affordability, or a smooth ride, we've got something for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. At number 7, we have the ANCHEER Electric Bike, a budget-friendly e-bike perfect for beginners. Priced at just $249, this lightweight ride comes with a 350-watt motor, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Its 36-volt battery delivers a range of 15 to 30 miles, making it a solid choice for casual riders or short commutes. If you're looking for an entry-level e-bike that won't break the bank, this one's for you. At number 6, we have the TsT Electric Bike, a solid commuter option priced at $519.99. With a 500-watt motor and 36-volt battery, it reaches speeds of 20 miles per hour and offers a range of up to 25 miles. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and designed for city riding. If you need a reliable and affordable way to get around town, this is a great pick. At number 5, we have the Jasion EB7, a powerful e-bike with a 750-watt motor, allowing speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Its 48-volt battery offers an impressive range of up to 40 miles per charge. Designed with an upgraded suspension system, this bike ensures a smooth ride, even on rough roads. At $619.99, it's a fantastic mid-range option. At number 4, we have the Gotrax F1 and F2 e-bikes, both offering great features at a reasonable price of $679.99. With a 350-watt motor, they can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and travel 20 miles on a single charge. The F2 model comes with upgraded tires and a better braking system, making it a perfect city commuter option. At number 3, we have the Okai Stride, a premium e-bike designed for urban commuters. This sleek and stylish ride features a 500-watt motor and a 48-volt battery, delivering a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of 40 to 50 miles. It also has a foldable frame, making it easy to carry and store. At $999.99, it's a great option for those wanting both style and performance. At number 2, we have the FREESKY Electric Bike, a powerhouse built for all-terrain riders. It packs a 750-watt motor, reaches speeds of 28 miles per hour, and has an impressive 60-mile range thanks to its 48-volt battery. With hydraulic disc brakes, fat tires, and dual suspension, this bike is ready for anything. At $1,399.99, it's an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lectric XP 3.0, one of the most popular e-bikes in its category. With a 500-watt motor and a 48-volt battery, it reaches speeds of 28 miles per hour and offers incredible versatility for city commuting and off-road adventures. Its fat tires, front suspension, and sturdy frame make it an all-around beast. Priced at $1,199.99, it's a top pick for 2025.